Okay, so for the ears, what we need to do is first take some fondant, and this might take a couple of times to try this. We're going to just take it into a large ball like this. Okay, and we're going to need 2 of those, about the same size for each ear. Okay, so they're pretty close in size. So I'm just knead it up just a little bit here. Okay, and then go ahead and roll it back into a ball. And then I just kind of roll it out into elongated kind of a cone. Like so. You can see how the ear is starting to take form. So this is the top of the ear here. I can even twist this to make it a little bit more pointy. And it has to be at least as tall as our skewers. And if our skewers are too tall, we can always cut those down. Which I'm thinking they are a little tall because I want this to bend forward a little bit. And this is way too tall. So I'm going to go ahead and take, not these cutters, I like these gardening type shears. Hold on to it and cut. If you don't hold on to it, it'll go flying across the room and hit someone in the eye. Okay, so for this, what I want to do is just kind of use my thumb and kind of punch in the center there. And you can even put it down, use your finger like this, and kind of hollow out that center just a little bit. Okay, so it'll go up like this. Going to scrunch this part together a little bit. It was a little bit too thick at the base. So that looks pretty good. Before I put it on, I want to take some dusting powder. This is called cotton candy. And then let me just grab a little bit of a brush here. Okay, do it in the lid, and then just a little bit of the cotton candy color, which is a pink. It's a luster. Well, it's actually called a sparkle dust. And it's very shiny. Iridescent-y kind of a color. If I do this up on top of the rabbit's head, then it'll get all over this part, which I don't want. Okay. So again, this was actually the front here. So let me take this, place it right over the skewer. Okay, so we'll start with that. Then we'll take our other one, piece of white fondant, and knead this up a little bit. Okay, make sure it's the same height as that one. And then do the same thing, kind of push in here, hollow out that center. And then take our cotton candy color. And again, kind of make sure that the skewer is staying at the back part and not the front. This one I can see it right here. So I can smooth this out in the back, like so. And we're not going to worry about right here too much because we're going to have a little bow. See how this one has a little bow? It's all flat and old, but we'll have a cute little bow up there.